today we'll talk about how can you get 4K on your YouTube TV app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go here, go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings, just click on it. So then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on forgot here. So click here on sign up. Then here it's going to take you to this list, and here can you choose your plan here. You click on next, add your card or information or payment methods. Then it's going to add with you. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.